Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2020 Tesla Model 3. What I'll do is I'll take you around the bodywork, then I'll take you inside and I'll point out any features on the way. So starting with the front left, down the front left wing, round to the front, out to the front right. And moving down the right hand side, got these lovely Aero wheels with good tread on the tyres. Up to the back right, round to the back, to the back left, back left wheel, down the left hand side. So as you can see, the bodywork is completely spotless. There's not a notable mark or scratch or dent on there at all. So taking you inside now. So we've got these lovely white leather seats. Your Model 3 logo around there. So inside there is no dashboard, no speedometers or anything like that there. So you've got a nice clean look, and all of the information you need is on this screen. So you can see there you've got the big sat nav on the front. That locks the car, open the charging ports. Got your radio, all working well. So you can see you've got a full digital radio. You've also got the option to direct tune. Loads of different sources, you've got your Spotify, karaoke, Bluetooth, your internet radio, Tidal, USB, so there is a USB device in there at the moment. And just search for whatever songs you want, whatever stations. Down here you can see you've got your apps, so you've got your radio, app, Bluetooth, Spotify, browser. Got your toy box, there's a few different things in there. So you've got nice fire, it turns the heating on as well. Got a sketch pad. So all just little novelty bits. Makes it look like you're on Mars. Just a few different bits. Got your arcade. So if you're sat there waiting for someone or you're charging in a service station or something like that, you can play some games. Got your theatre, so you've got Netflix, YouTube, Twitch, and your Tesla tutorials, calendar, energy, you've got your dash cam, tuning, like I showed before, karaoke, Tidal, USB. So all of your driving information's here. So you've got your pedals, so you've got your acceleration mode, steering modes, regenerative braking, you've got your charging, your autopilot, and so this car keeps itself in the middle of the lane with its auto steer, and then it's got adaptive cruise control as well. Locks, so this car comes with 2 backup keys, which are like key cards, and then when you download the Tesla app, you your phone, so you actually don't need the keys at all. Always recommend taking one, but you don't actually need them. I think you can have up to 19 keys, so you don't have to go and buy spare keys and things like that. Got your lights all set to auto, trips, your navigation settings, safety, software, servicing information, things like that. If I put it into drive, so you can see here, so this is what around here is where all your driving information is. Pull forward slightly. See, it moves along like that. and then it's picking up this car there. When you do actually drive, because I've just turned it on, it's not picked it up, but it does pick up the cars over the roads. And they'll come up there, so you've got your cameras there. So down here you've got some storage units. These all open out. Loads and loads of room. Like that. Some cup holders, some extra storage in here. You've got your heated seats as well. All controlled from here. And you can actually set it so that it pre-warms itself in the morning, and that's all controlled by the app. Yeah, really lovely car. Has a range of about 240 miles on a full charge. If you use the Tesla superchargers, it charges in about to 50%, about half an hour, 45 minutes. So really good car. Definitely a good one if you drive long distances, but you want an electric car. Can't really beat the Tesla. If you are interested in booking a viewing on the car, please give us a call on 07917 033 781. The car comes with a 1 year warranty. Oops, scrap that, it's under Tesla warranty already. A year's MOT, and a year's AA breakdown cover. And if you'd like to find out more information about us as a company, or this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, please don't hesitate to check out the website. Hope you're well. I hope to speak to you soon. Bye bye.